One of our goals for this journey is to feature something cool from each town we visit. We're going to a lot of smaller towns off the beaten path, and we want to discover something unique and interesting and innovative in each of these places. And for us, the place in Paducah that we discovered is Make. We came in and we're the only ones here. There's all these tables covered in canvas, and there's stuff all over the room that you can pick from and decorate and paint and glue and do glitter. Kids can come in and pick out a piece of canvas or a piece of wood, or basically just pick out a project, and then they can take as long as they want and decorate. And this is Kijsa, the owner of Make.
Yeah,
and
sure.
she's
Come on up.
gonna tell us a little bit about her business.
And then if we can think it up and make it happen and make sure that everyone's able to do it, we'll do it. My husband's actually from here, and so after living in other places in Kentucky, after living in North Carolina, in Tennessee, I purchased the building, and this was more of an afterthought. I really bought the building for my own personal artwork, and now this is the tail wagging the dog. It's not, I will say, all decisions are made by what excites me as an artist, not as to running a business. We do not expect in art lessons the kids to sit still. So we have them up moving, and then over here is our printmaking area. We've got the press, and we do silk screens. My mission is accessible art for all ages. That really can look like a lot of different things. And as an artist, I feel like so much can be flexible, and even when you're out here, the ability to have pick and choose and adjust your project and open drawers and to discover things and
half the fun.
Is half the fun, and it might spark a new idea.
Why do you want to do red, Maple? Because you love red? I love red. I know you love red.
But really, we offer lots of workshops and summer camps.
Me free. Me three. Me four. Me four. Me five. Me five.
So we do a lot of process and discovery with the younger set. We start at age 4 with actual art lessons.
Cool.
And we start putting in technique with that, but it's really a lot of discovery and fun and creativity.
Okay, where would you like to put glitter?
Here. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
I'm very community-based. I do a lot of public artwork, and we try to interact with as many other businesses locally. So when they need a creativity component to what they're doing, we partner with them and bring
cool.
that together. So
Can you
that's been
tell
really
us
good.
an example of one of those? That's interesting.
Well, we've done several different ones. The one coming up next is our Kijsa Art Center. And so we have partnered with them to do kids' art lessons. And so we have so much more space than they do, but they have gallery exhibition. So we do about 22 summer camps, starting at age 4 on up to college age. And during that time that we partner with them, we will hold artwork, and we do a 2-week exhibition in the gallery of all the students' artwork. If she walked in and she said, "There's my artwork on the wall," and it's in a museum.
Yeah.
I mean,
I still remember that when I was little.
yes,
Yeah.
and it's the kind of thing
Mine
that
was
you're
like
like,
in Macy's.
oh my goodness. I mean, and that's one of those things you tuck away in your memory
Exactly.
suitcase, and you're when you're a little insecure, or when you're doing something else later on, you're like, oh yeah, I am a museum artist. Yeah, I can still pull that out. And so that kind of thing, I really like elements like that. So.
No.
And we would love for you to come get your creativity on here. We're open for all ages, Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. Plus we have a slew of workshops, events, and things on our calendar. Our website is www.makepaducah.com. You can check that out. We're also Make Paducah on Facebook and Instagram.
Lyndon, can you tell me the story about your kitty cat?
No, because I'm busy painting. What's this?
That's a
Mama?
pipe on a train.
Yeah.
Maybe she's hangry.
Can you
tomorrow and we'll go to Nashville.